Good evening, friends. Today we are going to learn the second poem of the 10th standard book Basketful of Moonlight by Sunil Sharma. So here there is a small boy or a girl, we can say. Okay. So you know very well, in their childhood or in his or in her childhood, he or she is too much innocent. Okay, so there is particular atmosphere in the village. Where one can say here boy who lives in village, one can say here girl who lives in particular that village. So you know very well city and village. Okay, so maximum villagers every time where they go to work in the city every time. Early in the morning they wake up and definitely anyhow they have to work hard for their survival. So early in the morning they wake up and then finally go towards city for work. And you know very well, this is the way. Okay, this is the way, and this is a too much dangerous way. Now in this particular poem, we must think about child's mind. Okay, now child is demanding something to moon. Okay, you know very well moon. Chanda mama, one can say. Okay, this is moon, and you know very well moon is bright. Moon always spread his brightness everywhere. So that particular boy, okay, boy demanding moonlight, a basketful or two basketful for what? But he has to show the basketful or two basketful moonlight two sides of the road. Okay, two sides of the road. Then what will happen? Then brightness will spread everywhere, and you know very well, when in evening time, when we go anywhere, if there is everywhere the darkness, then what will happen? We can't come within stipulated time in our home or return in our home, because everywhere is darkness. But because of the brightness, what will happen? Because of the light, what will happen? One can return home very early. So definitely that particular boy demanding moonlight for particular that moon, for what? He has to spread everywhere light, then his papa will come early in the home. From this poem there is 1, 2, 3. Look at there. Open your book at the page 18. Then you come to know that I am going to explain myself in English to English that particular poem. Look at, oh moon. This is the apostrophe figure of speech. There is the apostrophe figure of speech used very skillfully by the writer. Apostrophe. Okay, directly addressed to the moon. That's why there is the apostrophe figure of speech. Oh moon, that particular boy directly addressed to the moon. Oh moon, give me moonlight. Moon, give me moonlight, please. Basketful or two basketful. And with the seeds of moonlight means, you know very well, directly he demanded. Here he is demanding basketful or two basketful of moonlight. There is basket, and you know very well. And maximum here star here. One can say this is stars. Okay, stars. So this is basket. Okay, and this is also basket. Basketful or two basketful. One basket, two basketful. Why he is demanding moonlight to moon? Because he has to take these both basket, one or two baskets, and he has to show two sides of the road. He has to spread what? Brightness or light everywhere. Then second stanza, from the city to my village. From city to my village. City to my village means this boy's village. That particular boy lived in particular that village. And what will he do with that particular moonlight, with those particular moonlight? From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small of moonlight. Look, then what will he do with basketful or two basketful of moonlight? Then two sides, particular this side and this side, that particular this side, left side and right side, he has to sow these basketful of two basketful of moonlight, means sheets of moonlight, both sides. Then what will happen according to him? From those particular sheets of moonlight, definitely trees will grow, and definitely what will happen? Then brightness will spread everywhere. He is too much innocent. He is too much innocent. That's why he is thinking like that. So small of moonlight, small. There is the effect, sound effect. One can say there is the repetitions. Then after apostrophe, repetitions. In repetition, words are repeated, pleasingly effect or note. Okay, so now small of moonlight, the whole village goes to the city daily to work. Okay, there is the synecdoche figure of speech. Synecdoche. Okay, so whole village, here in synecdoche, part is used to whole and whole is used to part. Okay, so now that the whole village goes to the city, definitely villagers are too much poor, and that's why they have to work every day. And whole village, maximum people who live that particular village, maximum villagers, they used to go where? In that particular city for daily work. And daily to work, it becomes dark on its way back, as my village is quite far from that particular village. City is far away. Okay, early in the morning, maximum villagers wake up and they started their preparation to go towards the city for daily work. Okay. So it becomes dark on its way back, and definitely when they finish their, you know very well, 8 to 12 hours, they work there, at least 8 to 12 hours, and when they have to return their abode place, when they have to return their home, then there is darkness everywhere. It becomes dark on its way back. As my village is quite far, the route is tough and full snakes and scorpions. And evening time there is no light. Both sides there is no light, and there are dangerous, means here snake and scorpions. Okay. So what will? Snake may bite, scorpions may bite to the villagers. So he is in worry mind. Worries are what I am saying, the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart flies. At that moment in the evening time, this is definitely route, but that route is too much dangerous. At that time there is no cart, there is cart and bus. So they have to come back towards their home with walking. Definitely, step by step. There is darkness everywhere. There may be snakes and scorpions everywhere. So he is too much. He is thinking too much about villagers, especially about his father. Neither bus nor cart flies. When my father returns home, I am asleep. And definitely, when that particular boy is sleeping early in the morning, his father goes to city for working. In the same way, when he comes back, at that time he was sleeping. He is sleeping. So now, he has to share his feeling with his papa. He has to learn so many good things from his papa. But now, because of lack of time, what happens? You know very well he can't understand his feeling well, and here that particular Papa also can't understand his feeling well. So now when my father returns home, I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning, and while I am sleeping, oh moon, give me a basketful of moonlight on alone. At least you can definitely, he is too much eager. He is demanding again and again. If that particular moon is not ready to give him sheets of moonlight, then he said that as a loan, as a interest, at least as a debt, you must give me a basketful or 2 basketful of moonlight. I want to light the dark road so that my father returns early. So what will he do with that, with those particular sheets of moonlight? See, so this particular sheets of moonlight, both sides of the road, and tree will grow of that particular stars, particular moonlight, particular sheets of moonlight, and there may be spread everywhere what brightness, and his father will come early. So that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. And definitely, obvious, when his father will come early at home, then what will happen? Then definitely he can listen more stories or fairy tales from his Papa. Then definitely he has to listen more and more story from his Papa. He loves too much on his Papa. I want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. Oh moon, give me a basketful of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Again and again in the last stanza also he demanding what? Definitely he demanding about the seeds of moonlight as a debt. Give me a basketful of 2 basketful of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moonlight. Then there is the alliteration. Okay, in that line there is the alliteration. In alliteration, constant repetition of the here letter is repeated for pleasingly effect or note on the sides of the path means road or way. Definitely he is demanding again and again seeds of moonlight for what? Because he has to sow the seeds of moonlight both sides of the road. Then what will happen? Tree will grow up from that particular seeds of moonlight, and darkness will diminish, and everywhere light will spread everywhere, and his Papa, especially all villagers, will return to home early, and he will listen more and more fairy tales or stories from his Papa. He loves too much and too much deeply on his Papa. That's why he is demanding again and again directly to the moon a basketful or 2 basketful of moonlight. So friends, this is the explanation. Thank you very much.